What if I told you there's an app right now that lets you farm tokens for free, and every point you earn will turn into real crypto at launch? It says that it's kind of guaranteed one for one. This is the SysFiDAO SYN airdrop, and today I'll show you exactly how to farm it and why people are jumping on it and whether it could be your next hidden gem or not. Before we start, keep in mind that this video is educational only and not financial advice. Airdrops are not guaranteed, and always do your own research. Let's go on. After you download this app from the Google Play, just open it, and here it wants to send you some notifications. You can enable it, and here it says that you want to log in or get started. It's our first time we're participating in this, so we're gonna choose get start. Here you're gonna enter your email, password, and referral code if you had one. And if you enter my referral code, you're gonna get bonus rewards. After you have entered your email address and also the password and my referral link, you can enter here. And if said that connection is lost, try using a VPN instead. So after that, you have entered your email address and they want to verify that it's you, so they send you a Gmail and you're gonna hit the link that they have sent to you in order to verify your email. Then you click on I verified and it says that your email is verified. Welcome to abroad, taking you to the app. So if it doesn't respond, just close the app and enter the app again, and you'll see that you are in the main part. And it says that token generation event box will be automatically converted to tokens at a 1-to-1 ratio during the TGE. Keep earning to maximize your allocation. The points that you earn here are gonna convert into real tokens in the future. I have earned 10 sparks only for entering with the referral link. So you can refer your friends just from the refer section, and from the farm section you can come and claim daily rewards. I have claimed half SYN sparks for today, and the tokens that you can get increases daily if you come and claim continuously without a stop. In the task section, there are some tasks that you can do. One is the earn rewards. It will give you 5 sparks for every video that you watch. The next section is like like and retweet. You can go like and retweet and verify, okay, and then claim it. So I've earned 5 sparks for just clicking on the link to the like and retweet. But the worst part is you have to watch video for every task that you do. Here, if you want to earn the task, I should click on claim, okay, and I claim it, but I have to watch a video. In the right part, we have the social tasks. You can join their Telegram channel, follow their Twitter, and subscribe to their YouTube. Just you need to verify that you have done it, then you claim it, and the other ones just like this, and you can get 40 sparks just for doing 4 tasks. And these are daily tasks, okay, you can do, and these are social tasks you can do once. Daily tasks, you can come daily and get some sparks for doing them. And you can come to the refer section and send your code to the others to get plus 10 SYN sparks per friend. So it has a white paper. You can come and read the white paper about this app. Okay, this is a DAO creation, DAO interaction, and community participation all integrated together in this app. Okay, and this looks amazing. Okay, how the SysFi ecosystem acts between DAO, Launchpad, DeFi, and Token Factory. About the total supply, about the airdrop is about 20% for the community, and about community treasury has about 8%. And I think this is a legit as far as I see. Okay, this is legit, but do your own research always before participating in any project. I see this is free. Okay, we are not going to put our money in this, and we are just going to do some tasks about 5 minutes a day, and that's all. So it worth it in my eyes and in my sight. And here you can see that it has also voting mechanism, which is good for its community. Guys, that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get informed about the airdrop projects and free money opportunities as soon as possible. See you guys and bye bye.